So hi everyone, welcome to you all in my another video, and today I'm going to discuss the top 18 courses for you if you want to migrate to Australia. So if you are planning to study in Australia and you have did your health science degree, whether you did your MBBS, did your dentistry or pharmacy, nurses, or lab technician, physiotherapy, whatever degree you did in your country, now you are trying to migrate to Australia. Now you are looking at a course in which course can be give you a PR and citizenship and can give you a high paid job. So I make a list of the courses are available in Australia. So it's about 13 courses is there that is not in the PR list, but some of them are very good course, so you can choose. But there is a 5 courses that is in the PR list, so I'm going to discuss these courses in one by one. So if there is any other course and I am not included in the list, so please leave a comment below. I will also make a video on that as well. So basically I'm going to discuss in making a separate videos on each of the courses, but I'm going to give you here the overview because I cannot discuss the each course and to that information. So first we are going to discuss some courses that not in the PR list, but still I can say they are the good courses. So my name is Dr. Akram Ahmed. I'm a pharmacist lecturer in Australia. I always make videos for you. So please like and subscribe my videos so I can make good videos for you. So number one, I can say there is a Master of Health Services Research. So this is basically a 2-year master program. This is also, I can say, it is a good program. It can be leading to a PhD. So in Australia, basically, there is a two type of program. One is the research based, one is the coursework. So coursework mostly just for the focus on a job. But if you are going in a research base, so there is a more chance you will get some scholarship, might be 25%, 50%, sometimes 100%. And there is a 100% chance this course can be converted into a PhD. But if you are coming a normal course, for example, if you are coming in a Master of Public Health, so this is like a, this is not a in the list of PR, and this is not given to a job in Australia. So there is no PR, no job, even there is no chance to getting a admission into the PhD. So this course, I can say this is a good course. Another one course is a Master of Health Management. It's also some kind of that, I can say it's like a MBA in healthcare management in India. If you issue that, this is a similar course, but this course also is not in the good demand, in Australia, I can say. And I'm not telling you the university. University is up to you which university you are going to discuss. I already made last week one video that top 8 university in Australia. If you are going to study in those universities, you definitely will get a job, whatever course you are going to study there. But most of the time, if you are going a small university, in that university mostly very low chance to getting a job. So there another course is a Master of Health Administration. I already told you. Another one is a Master of Nutrition and Diabetes. Dietetics, mostly those are that nutrition side. Mostly the choose this course is not a very good course for pharmacy or medical to those kind of a student. And another is the Master of Healthcare Leadership. This is also a good course, but very small university are offering. So I'm not sure if you can get a job. And Master of Genetic Counseling. This is also research-based program. So there is a more chance to getting a admission into the PhD after the complete. Then Master of Public Health. I already make a 4-5 videos on Master of Public Health, so you must go and find those there. But I can see here, if you want to take MPH in Australia, so you must go a high, like a good university. I can say like a top university, for example, University of Sydney, Melbourne University. If you are going a G8 universities MPH, then it is good for you. It can give you a job. But if you are going apart from this G8 university, if you are going any other university like small universities, then you don't have any chance to getting a job. But if you can clear your exam, for example, if you are a pharmacist, then you have to go for CAPS exam. If you are a medical doctor, you have to go for a AMC exam. Then for dentistry, so in that way you can getting a PR and job later on. But if you are think that once you complete Master of Public Health, you can get a job, it's not likely. But if you are a degree is MBBS. For example, if you did MBBS in your country and you are coming here to do a MPH, this can be a very good course for you. But if you are from a allied health sciences, so not that much highly recommended for you for the job perspective. And the course is a Master of Mental Health. This course I can say is a very good course and have a good job perspective in Australia, because a lot of people have mental health issues, and they need even a lot of the GP also working in this field. So I can personally feel this is a have a good job perspective in Australia. Another course is a Master of Pharmaceutical Sciences Research. This is basically like a MPhil, I can say. This also can be a good course for you as compared to if you are going for Master of Public Health. So this can be a good course, but the problem is that they have a high fee as compared to MPH. MPH you can get a low rank university, very nominal fee, but if you are going Master of Pharmaceutical Sciences, then you have to pay higher fees, and again there is a very low chance for it. The job basically in Australia, once you get your PR, if you have a PR visa, then there is, doesn't matter what you have degree, whatever you did, any degree, the master degree, definitely you will get a job. But the main problem to getting a PR, so PR you can get from your exam you have to pass, or from if you get a job, then might be someone can sponsor you. I already discussed in my previous videos, I'm not going to discuss very detailed here. Then another one course is a Master of Radio Pharmaceuticals. This course also not have a very good opportunity in Australia. I already make a separate video on Master of Pharmaceuticals, then you can have a look that particular video. So I don't think so. This is not also again in the PR list. There is no job prospect, especially for international student. I'm discussing this video for international students perspective. This is not for if you are Australians. If you are Australian, then you did whatever you did, definitely you will get a job. For you, not a problem for job, but a job is a problem for if you are international student, because no one want to give you a sponsorship and you don't have your own visa, then you have to struggle a lot to find a job. Then another course is the Master of Clinical Research or Master of Clinical Trials Research. This is a very good course, I can say. So far I discussed all those courses. If you are going Master of Clinical Research, this course can give you a entry-level job in Australia, and that can leading to a PR, or and in future also is very good prospect. If you have a 5 to 10 year experience in clinical trial, definitely you can touch up to 150k salary in Australia yearly. Then another one is a Master of Good Manufacturing Practice. This is a GMP course. So if you are already working in a pharmaceutical industry in your country, now you are looking to migrate to Australia for study, so this course can be a very good for you if you want to looking a job in pharmaceutical industry, especially in the manufacturing side. So you can go for Master of Good practice, GMP you can go. Otherwise, this course also is not that much, this is not also in the PR list. And again, because in Australia not that much pharmaceutical industry here, because most of the medicines they export from other countries like India or China or some other countries. Then now we are going to discuss about the 5 PR listed courses. Then Master of Nursing, 100% job, NPR. Master of Pharmacy also, graduate entry. This is also you can get a job, definitely NPR. And then Master of Health Informatics. It can be like 50-50 you can get, because sometimes this course is in the in, sometimes in the out. Still you have chance. Then Master of Social Work and Master of Medical Biotechnology. This course is also in the PR list, but the problem in this course is once you complete this course, then you have to go for certain year of experience. Then you have to go for skill assessment. Then later on only you can apply for your PR visa. So Master of Nursing or Master of Pharmacy does not need any experience. Once you complete this course, you can file your PR visa. But if you are going Master of Health Informatics, Master of Social Work, Master of Biotechnology, then you have to show some experience in Australia. Then only you can go for a skill assessment and you can go for a PR visa. So these are the top 18 courses in Australia. If you know any other course, you can leave a comment below. I will also make separate video on each of the this course. I already make some video already: Master of Nursing, Master of Pharmacy, and Master of Social Work, Master of Biotechnology. These courses already I upload the video, so you can go and have a look. And if you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And thank you for watching this video.